Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Glowing with Akansha. So guys, today I'm going to do a review sort of video, and today what I'm going to review is an under eye cream from the brand Scent Botanica. Okay, I have already reviewed their under eye cream, and if you haven't checked that video, I'll give the link in the description. Please do check it out. And today I'm going to review this serum. I have used this serum for like 1 month now, and I'm ready to tell you whether it works or not and everything. Okay, so if you are interested, keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So coming to its packaging, it comes in a cardboard box like this. Okay, and it costs for rupees 849 rupees. Okay, but you can easily get it for like 650 bucks. Okay. And if any discount is going on, then you can definitely get it for like 500 rupees. Okay, so that's good because you can easily get your hands on this for like 500 rupees, and you get 20 ml of the product. Okay, so it's quite decent according to the price. Okay, so coming to the actual product, it comes. Okay, so this is the actual product. It comes in this golden bottle, and it really looks very fancy and luxurious. Okay, so this is a 20 ml of product that I got for rupees 500 because some discount was going on, and I got it for like 500 rupees. And it's mainly for your dark circles, puffiness. Okay, and there are the key ingredient in this is hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, B3, matrixyl 3000, and green tea extracts. Like these all ingredients are really good. Okay, hyaluronic acid is for like retaining the moisture in your skin. Vitamin C and B3 is for for like brightening your skin, to even out your skin tone. Green tea extracts does moisturize your skin. It also helps in improving your complexion. Okay, and what its main ingredient is matrixyl 3000. Okay, so now what is this ingredient? Matrixyl 3000 is a powerful anti-aging formula. It is made up of two peptides essentially called small proteins. Okay, these small proteins, this helps in formation of collagen. Okay, so for those who don't know what collagen is something that helps in maintaining your skin shape, its suppleness, it maintaining its elasticity. Okay, so this matrixyl 3000 is something that will help you to build collagen, and that way you will not get saggy skin, and your skin will be like youthful. Okay, so it's basically an anti-aging formula. Saggy. So now coming to its consistency, it is really very like watery in formula. As you can see it's really very watery. Like it gets fully absorbed into your skin, and it's like the texture is really very watery. Okay, and it really gets absorbed into your skin. You will not feel that you have applied anything. Okay, so that's the good thing. It really gets absorbed. See, it's really runny in consistency, like more sort of water type of consistency, but it's really good. Okay, see what. Now coming to its use, I have used this for like 1 month, and now I'm going to tell you whether it worked for me or not, whether it is good or not, whether you should buy it or not. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Worked for me. Okay, so it's day 1, and you can see the condition of my under eyes. It's really looking dark. Okay, so it's day 10, and I can already feel the difference. My eyes is looking a little bit brighter, and I can actually feel the difference. I don't know whether it's clearly visible on the camera or not, but I can actually feel the difference. So let's just hope for the best, and let's continue. Okay, so it's day 20 and I can literally see the difference in my under eyes. It has definitely brightened up and I can feel the difference. I can see the difference very clearly and I'm really happy with how it's going on. Okay, so it's finally day 30 and I can literally say that this product works. You can easily see that on my eyes. It really works and I'm literally loving it, and you can see how beautifully it has worked on me, and I'm sure if I use it regularly it will even show huge results. Okay, so for me it's a thumbs up. Okay, so my final verdict on this product is that it is really very helpful in reducing your dark circles. Like seriously, it's really very good, and I have been using it for 1 month, and I can clearly see that it has reduced my dark circles to a lot, to a like great extent. Okay, and according to the price, like I bought it for like 500 rupees in discount, and I got 20 ml of product for that. Like for that price the quantity is quite decent, and it helped me in reducing my dark circles and everything. For me, that overall this is really a great product, and I think you should also try this because this is really good. Okay, I'm not kidding, this is really good. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.